This is my favorite moisturizer. I have been searching for literally years. I tend to have skin that is a little on the dry side and also have some, or a lot, of redness in my skin, and this is perfect. It is great for anybody that has sensitive skin. I prefer a lotion that is a bit thicker. When I put it on, I want to be able to feel the lasting effects of it. It is nice and thick. It is not greasy or oily, but it really preps and primes the skin perfectly for doing makeup. I love to add a couple drops of facial oil. I find that it makes it go on better, and you can use less of your product. I'm obsessed with this stuff. So I have some with some oil. I mix them together with my hands, and then I simply just add and rub in, try and do upward motions, but my skin just drinks this in, and I use it literally every day, and I love it. My skin loves it. My skin is like even and doesn't break out when I stay really nice and hydrated. This stuff is awesome. I love it. It is great for so many skin types, and it makes putting on makeup so much easier and a nice even finish.